In today's video, I'm going to teach you how customers can sign a PandaDoc document without creating an account. One important thing to know before you begin is that your customers do not need a PandaDoc account to complete the signing process. That makes the experience much simpler and faster because they can go straight from receiving the document to reviewing and signing it. The process starts when the customer opens the link that was sent to them. This link may arrive by email or by text message, depending on how the document was shared. Once they click the link, the document will open in their browser and they can begin reviewing it right away. It's a good idea to remind customers to open the document on a stable internet connection so the page loads smoothly and all fields display correctly. After the document opens, they should look for the required fields. PandaDoc makes this easy by highlighting required areas in red so they're easy to spot. These might include signature fields or any other information that must be completed before submitting the document. To move through the form more efficiently, the customer can click the Start button. This will automatically guide them through each required field in order, which helps prevent anything from being missed. This is especially helpful for people who may be opening a digital document for the first time or who want the quickest path to completion. When they reach the signature field, they simply click on the signature box. At that point, they'll be given the option to type or draw their signature. Both options are valid, so they can choose whichever feels easiest and most comfortable. After adding the signature, they should continue through any remaining required fields if prompted. Once everything is filled out, the final step is to click Finish at the top of the document. This submits the completed document and finalizes the signing process. At that point, PandaDoc automatically updates the document status to completed. That means the signing has been successfully finished, and there's no need for the customer to take any additional action. After submission, both parties receive a copy of the completed document. This is useful for record keeping and gives everyone confirmation that the document has been signed and finalized. That's the full process. Open the link, complete the highlighted fields, sign in the signature box, and click Finish. It's a quick and straightforward experience, and best of all, the customer can do it all without needing to create a PandaDoc account.